helps force more fluid into those discs. Let me know if it's too much pressure or not enough. So deep breath in. Out. Arm up over your head. I'm going to scoot you a little closer. Good, good, good.
Whoa.
Wow.
That was a good one.
Isn't that crazy?
Yeah.
Probably slept the best you've slept in a long time. Oh.
I'm not tired.
It is pretty crazy when you get a better connection to the whole system.
Yeah. Hey.
See, and you didn't know if you were going to pop anymore.
I know. I was like, I still have more left.
Reaction times because your nerves are better connected to the muscles. Oh my Lord. Woo, ah. This is going to get the ankle, knee, and hip. Oh, God. Ooh. Higher. Oh, there we go.
It was great.
There you go. Perfect.
Loved it. Thank you.
All right. It's nice.